Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make friends, collect leads, and eventually commissions on Facebook, guys, with my organic traffic strategy. Okay, so I will basically be showing you what I'm doing on a daily basis to pretty much make that happen. Okay, so let's get started. Alright guys, so right now I'm on my Facebook page. I'm going to be pretty much showing you what I do, what my daily routine is for getting engagement and helping people out and growing my page and making all that other stuff happen like I just mentioned, guys. So here I'm going to go to the home button, right? I'm going to scroll down my feed, and for about 10 or 20 minutes a day, guys, at a minimum, this is pretty much what I would do. Okay, so I would scroll through my feed, like and engage with the posts and all the comments, guys. This is very important, guys, because every time you do this, people will notice, they'll get notified in this little bell right here, and they'll come back to your page and pretty much do the same, right? So whoever you're following, guys, whoever's on your friend list, their posts will pretty much appear here in this tab, and you can just go and like, like, comment, comment. If people have questions, guys, answer the questions, especially if they're technical questions around your niche, depending on what you're promoting. And this is a very good way to get engagement and grow your page. And when you get a bunch of likes and comments on your page, guys, that's credibility, right? Right? And that's just fantastic. It makes the process so much easier starting out. But keep in mind, you don't need like a bunch of likes and comments on your page to get results, guys, with affiliate marketing. But this is definitely a method that makes it a lot easier. All right. So just keep on scrolling. Like I actually already did this morning, guys, on my feed because I pretty much do this every single day, where I'm just liking and posting with my friends stuff. Right. So you're like, 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 comment, like, reply, etc. Guys, I'm pretty sure you get the point right now. Okay, so the next thing I would do, guys, is go back to my profile, right? And I would post. And generally, I would post about 3 times a day. Okay. So for example, I'll have one post sort of be inspirational, right? Like an inspirational message, sort of something like this, right? Don't have confidence, you always find a way to lose, right? And these are pretty easy for people to engage with, no matter what they're doing, whether they're in your niche or not, guys. People can leave a like and comment on these types of things, right? This one right here, this is a pretty good one. They laugh at your dreams until you start getting paid, right? Because that's a fact. As you can see, people are liking, engaging with this. Um, it's really cool, right? I got another one here. Surround yourself with people who force you to level up, guys. Just a few ideas you can use. And the second type of post that I would post on my page, guys, would be um, personal, right? So something kind of about myself. Um, you know, whatever you're going through, something interesting that may happen in your day or in your week, guys. You can post something kind of about that, right? And the third post would be promotional, right? It would be something kind of talking about or hinting at what I'm doing. That's also really good as well. So you kind of want to mix it up. And the best times I find to post, guys, are before 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. in the morning, because that's kind of when people are on their way to work and they're probably most likely to be on Facebook. And the second time would be sometime in the afternoon, maybe after 1 or 2 o'clock. And the third time can be somewhere in the evening. Just kind of spread them out, guys, mix them up so you can see when you get the most engagement. But that's kind of just the idea of when I like to post. Let's see. Oh, and let me tell you a very good tool, guys, that you might already know about or may not know about already. Facebook stories, right? Now, some of you may know about this, may know something about this, guys, why it's so useful. But let me tell you why, right? So every time you post a Facebook story, guys, and you use this feature, um, this is the first thing people will see when they click on your icon and visit your page, right? And this is very cool because when people come on, they you can use this to promote your offer or exactly what you're doing, as you just saw like a few seconds ago. At 297 commission, I just got. That'll be the first thing someone sees when they click on my page, and that will raise curiosity, and they will be more likely to message you and follow up with you as well. Now, I like to post 3 times a day with my stories as well, guys. You can mix it up. It can be promotional, inspirational, whatever you want to post on there. But it's definitely good to use progress, guys, to raise like curiosity on your page. If you don't have any, guys, you can also use someone else's, but just make sure to say it's someone else's as well who's in your group or around what you're doing, guys. Don't make up your results as well. Don't do anything like that because eventually people are going to see through it. Um, so that's just another good idea. But here's the real cool thing about Facebook stories, guys. Whenever someone clicks on your story, oops, go back there. Whenever someone clicks on your story, you can see um, everyone who's seen it, guys. And this is basically almost tracking everyone who goes to your page in a single day on Facebook, which is amazing, right? So when people click your page and you view your stories, you're going to see them pop up right here. So right now I got 15 people going to my page, right? And these are all people I can follow up with and talk to, right? Which is cool. Um, okay, so the next thing we're going to get into is the people you actually want to be talking to if you're into like affiliate marketing or depending whatever your niche is, guys. But for today's video, guys, like I do affiliate marketing, and I'm going to be showing you the types of groups I would look in for my desired prospect, guys, for the people I'm looking for who are actually looking for what I'm promoting, guys, and how it can help them. All right. So here's what I do. I would go to Facebook groups, guys, and I'll find a group that's related to my niche, right? Which is affiliate marketing. So here are a few groups that I'm in right now. Uh, Limitless Product Factory, 5-Day Challenge, ClickFunnels Avengers, a 7-Figure Affiliate Marketing Secrets, the Affiliate Marketing Group, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, a 10x Income System, um, let's see. Yeah. But for example, if we're this video, you know, let's just do the ClickFunnels Avengers group. Okay. Now here's what I would do. I would find the most recent post. So this one's been 14 hours ago, right? This one's been posted a minute ago. Um, yeah, generally within like a day or two, I would say those are good posts to kind of engage with. Find the most recent comments, guys. Like the posts, right? Engage with it. If people are asking questions and you can answer them, go for it. Because if you can help someone solve an issue, guys, that is the best way to find and gather leads as well. You can go through the comments, like them, guys, read through them, and generally people ask questions in these types of groups, like affiliate groups, guys. Anything within the make money niche, guys. People are always trying to figure stuff out, guys. A lot of people are stuck and the people who have questions, guys, are looking for answers, and they post pretty much every day about something they need. So if you can come and solve their problem, guys, that does build trust, all right? And they'll be more open to hearing what you have to say, right? So, for example, um, Woohoo CF affiliate orange bars back. I'm not quite sure what that is, but let's look through the comments, right? Um, that's comments. Okay, it's weird. All comments. All comments. Okay, that's all. Ah, here we go. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, you can just kind of go through these. Just like them. Wherever you like a comment, guys, people are gonna get notified, right? And they're gonna click on your page, and that's where the stories come in handy, right? And I were to approach some of these people, guys, who weren't like asking particular questions that I could answer, here's something I would say to sort of start a conversation. For example, if I were to click on, this guy's, let's see, find a good one. Um, let's see, maybe if I was to click on just random this person's profile, um, I would, just look at the profile, see if there's something I could relate to on there. Maybe this is not the best example, but I would just message and be like, hey, I noticed you in like one of the affiliate groups. I noticed we had a few things we might have in common, which is affiliate marketing. And I'd be like, thought we could connect and share some experience if that's okay with you. I also just like to ask people for permission if they do want to talk as well, because keep in mind, anyone in this niche, guys, even people outside this niche are constantly getting messaged by people pitching products, all right? And you want to stand out for them, right? You want to be polite. You want to be asking them for like permission to even talk to them, before you start like um, talking about what you're doing and how good your offer is and stuff like that. You want to be talking to people like you're a friend and you're here to like solve a problem, right? And you want to be giving them the value before you even talk about what you're doing, right? So always keep that in mind. It's a very simple concept I see a lot of people overlooking. The best affiliates out there are the ones who are just genuinely helping people solve a problem, all right? So you can go through Facebook groups, find people to engage with. At a minimum, you want to be friending at least 10 or 20 people a day. Depending how much time you have, definitely go for more than that. Um, but you also want to be messaging and talking to people as well, guys. Starting up a lot of conversations, just making friends who are in the same boat as you are, that's a good way to start capturing leads and stuff like that. Now, obviously, eventually, you are going to be getting people who are interested in your offer, guys, and people who actually want to, buy whatever you're promoting, guys. If you can offer that as a solution to their problem, and when you actually get that rolling, some of you here or who are watching this video may haven't gotten any sales yet, and maybe some of you have. But depending where you are, if that's all you're doing on Facebook and just messaging people and waiting for a sale, that's not the best strategy. But let me show you how I kind of capture those leads, guys, so I can kind of market to them later if they're not fully ready for what I have to offer. Um, so in a future video, I'm actually going to be showing you how I actually put together an email list using Builderall, right? And from there, I'm actually able to capture leads on my landing page and actually follow up with the email addresses I'm collecting from people, guys. All right. But that's a different video for a different day. Um, let's see. I think I pretty much covered most of the things that I needed to go over in this video for Facebook strategies. But let's scroll through and just take a look at some of my posts. Right. As you can see, even I don't have a whole lot of engagement on my post yet, guys, because I've only been doing this for like under a month. I've only been implementing these strategies for under a month, guys. But It's definitely growing. People are engaging with my posts, as you can see. And these are people I'm simply just meeting and making friends with on Facebook, guys. And if you are consistent with this, guys, over time, you'll get to a point where you'll have like 20 or even 30, 40, 50, 60, or even 100 likes on your page. That is huge because that's when things will really start to be rolling with for you automatically, and you'll be putting less work into it. Because that's a lot of credibility on your page. And when someone in the affiliate marketing niche sees that, guys, and chances are they will already trust that you know what you're doing, because a lot of other people are engaging with you as well. All right, so let's sort of review what we went over, guys. So you want to be um, liking and engaging with all your friends' posts, guys, on your timeline, right? For at least 10, I'm just going to say 20 minutes, for at least 20 minutes a day, every day, if you can make time for it, all right? Also, you want to be posting 3 times a day. You want to be joining new Facebook groups within your niche. There are a lot of affiliate marketing groups out there if that's what you're doing, guys. Um, Also, you want to be getting in these groups, talking to people, making new friends, and solving problems, guys, pretty much on a daily basis, all right? That's going to be pretty much it for today's video. If there's anything else you would like me to cover in a future video related to these topics, guys, just let me know down below in the comments section. I definitely plan to be putting out more tutorials like this, guys, on my daily process and how I do this. So if there's any ideas, guys, again, just leave them down below in the comments. If you like this content, want to see more, be sure to subscribe for my channel, guys, and I will notify you. And if you are on my email list, guys, and are watching this video through that, just make sure to watch out for the next email I send your way as well. But also be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys, because I appreciate all the support, guys. Um, so thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. And for those of you who are not on my exclusive email list, guys, getting exclusive content like this, there will be a link down below in the description. All right, so that's going to pretty much wrap it up for today. See y'all next time.